Hey, this is Dave of Dave Trains, and as you can see, I've got this little GP9 that had a decoder put in. And it works pretty good, except where that frog is, and but it's pretty loud. And so I'm gonna see if I can fix that. So we're gonna get to it right now. So from the other video, you saw how loud this little locomotive was, and now it's running a lot quieter, unbelievably quieter compared to the earlier. And I'm going to open her up here and show you what I did to make her run so quiet. All right, let me open this thing up and show you what I did here. This is a train control system decoder. Had my hobby shop put in for me. Like most people, don't have one nearby. It's about an hour away. But let me open it up and I can show you exactly what I did. And it made all the difference in the world. And hopefully, when I put it back together, it'll run. Can't lose any of these little insulators. So I'll pull the gas cap off. The first time I did this, I'm not sure what I did wrong, but I got to make sure these go back in just like they came out, because it would run, but it would kind of catch on the track. Alright, let's see if I can open it up. I don't want to mess up my board. And I made a video showing this, cutting this out, but for some reason, when I was doing it, it was corrupt. It wouldn't work. So, but if you see this little bearing right here, a bushing, there's one there also on both of these. And what I did is I had researched on the internet and found a couple places where they had talked about removing these, and that's what I did. Now there's there's like a little chuck that goes into this motor, and I was hoping I could remove that so I could just slide the bearing off, but it was impossible, which I guess is a good thing. That way it's stuck in the motor. You don't have to worry about it popping out. But all I did was I wound up having to take this assembly out right here, and I had to cut that bearing off, and it has run. There's some play right there, but that doesn't seem to affect it. These, once this is in straight, this when this other half's on, it's not as bad. So I've seen some people, and I can't find it again, but I saw somewhere on an old lifelike locomotive that they wind up doing the same thing. So this is a little Atlas. It was a non-DCC ready GP9. And like I said, these are the train control decoders, and this decoder is made for this engine, and it's a little pricey. It's about $45–50, and just about that much to put it in, but it's well worth it. But anyway, I hope this helps somebody. And again, this is Dave's Trains, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you.